I decided to do my video just a little bit different than the other candidates. You're Murphy good, but I haven't been bad. Let me tell you about the experiences I've had. Went to Sac State and it was great, only took me a few years to graduate. The bachelor's degree wasn't the stop for me. I'm one class away from my master's, you see. I worked at Gallo Winery for years of 3. It was there I learned which tastes are complementary. As a person, I'm charismatic, outgoing, and kind. If you pass me up, you'll be in a bind. I'm bilingual, can't you tell? I say, como te llamas to our clientele. And like a coastal wine loves the fog, I sure like to write in blogs. But wait just a second, there is more. I can tweet and Facebook about your store. See, Web 2.0 ain't a problem for me because I'm bringing Murphy good to your city. You're a passionate bunch. This is true. And I hope to be a part of your family too.